My case is this, my lord.
Yes.
My case is that in paragraph 9 to 11 there are allegations against me that I, at the instance of SP, assaulted this person. Now this is my word against his word. I say I didn't, he says yes.
Yes. That will be inquired into.
My lord?
That will be inquired into.
Maybe inquired into, my lord.
That will be inquired into by a competent agency.
I have
That will be the appropriate
no,
in this
no,
case, my lord.
no issues at all with this, my lord.
That will be inquired into.
Ji.
But so far as this
And I'll file a response also, my lord, because there
fact
are.
is concerned that the FIR does not contain completely correct facts. The same SDO who had given permission to
These things are there, my lord.
initiate proceeding. Have you made the informant a party in this case?
My lord, unfortunately, he is not.
You'll have to add.
My lord, I will seek
Then
permission.
only the court can proceed against him.
My lord, I seek permission to make him a party respondent, my lord.
Yes.
During the course of the day, my lords.
I will bring my counter affidavit on record, my lord. I have documents to show that I was not even there, so that I will bring before my lords.
Look here. Where is he posted presently? Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar, the then SPO of Gopalganj?
I don't know, sir.
State, find
My lord,
out.
I have to get the information, my lord.
Collect information.
My lord, my lord.
लिखिए। सिविल सर्जन साहब आगे आइए जरा। आपके पास तो अब कुछ नहीं है ना दिखाने के लिए कि आपने एक्सरे रिपोर्ट दिया था उसको?
वही एक रजिस्टर दिखाया है।
वो रजिस्टर जो है वो रिसीविंग रजिस्टर नहीं है ना?
रिसीविंग है सर, रिसीविंग ही है।
मतलब किसी व्यक्ति को कोई डॉक्यूमेंट आपने हैंड ओवर किया, ऐसा कुछ है उस रजिस्टर में?
कि नहीं है, सिग्नेचर।
जो पूछ रहे हैं उसका जवाब।
नहीं, उसका जो मतलब है कि वो रिसीव किया कि नहीं किया, वो वही कॉलम है, ये पूछ रहे हैं।
ऐसा कुछ है कि हाँ वो रजिस्टर दिखाया बनाया गया है इस पर्पस से? एंड
बोला कि इसमें जिसका एक्सरे होता है उसका और रिसीविंग दोनों इसी में है। जो
आपके एनजीओ ने बोला?
हाँ।
कुछ लिख करके दिया है वो?
लिख कर दिया है, लाए नहीं है।
लाए नहीं है, उसको आप क्यों नहीं लाए?
मिस देखते हैं है इसमें। मांगे थे छोड़ दिया देखें।
इतना कैजुअली आप एकदम से लगता है ऐसे कुछ खोया हुआ चीज मिल जाता है वैसे आप कहते हैं। लाइए लाइए जरा, देखा फाड़िए मत, ऐसे ही दीजिए। ये हालात हैं आपकी। ठीक है, इसको रखिए आप, इसमें कुछ नहीं, एक चिट्ठी बनाया हुआ है। प्रेषित नजरे इमाम सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर IGI मेडिकल सिस्टम। ये एनजीओ जो है क्या काम कर रहा है, उसकी क्या हालात है, वो भी एग्जामिन होगा उसमें। यही तो आपकी स्थिति है।
इंक्वायरी जरूरी है।
इंक्वायरी तो जरूरी है। लिखिए। Pursuant to the last order dated 5/12/2022, the Superintendent of Police Gopalganj. What's your name, please?
Anand Kumar.
Mr. Anand Kumar, the Superintendent of Police Gopalganj, and Mr. Dr.
Virendra Prasad.
Dr. Virendra Prasad, the Civil Surgeon Gopalganj are present. Full stop. Next, this court has interacted with the SP Gopalganj on several issues which are arising out of this case. Full stop. This court will enlist what has been found upon interactions with SP and the civil surgeon as under. सुनते जाइएगा अगर आपको लगे कि को हाँ 1 the FIR as contained in Annexure 1 was lost on 14/10/2016 by the then SDO, Sadar Gopalganj. Full stop. In his FIR, he has stated that without any permission on 13/10/2016 at 11 a.m. to 17 p.m. ऐसा करिए at 11 hours to 17 hours, without any information, the named accused persons together with 25-30 unknown supporters had committed occurrence at Ambedkar Chowk under a conspiracy to disturb the communal peace and harmony. Full stop. It is alleged that the petitioner was leading the people. Full stop. In course of hearing from Annexure 3, it appeared, Annexure 2, P/2, it appeared that the same SDO Gopalganj had given permission to the petitioner to go for the protest, go for one-day protest and demonstration at Ambedkar Chowk on 13/10/2016. At 11 a.m. Full stop. After going through Annexure P2, the SP Gopalganj has submitted that the first part of the FIR, which states that without permission the petitioner led the mob, led the named people, is wrong. Full stop. Next, 2. It is admitted that the FIR was not lost by the executive magistrate, namely Sri Pratik Kumar, who was posted at the spot by the SDO Gopalganj, wide Annexure P/2. Full stop. There is no statement either that the said executive magistrate had made any complaint to the STO in this regard. Next, 3. It is admitted that after lodging of the FIR under various provisions of the IPC and Section 9 of the Use and Control of Loudspeaker Act, no notice under Section 41 within bracket 1 CRPC was issued to the petitioner. Full stop. The offences alleged carry a maximum punishment of 3 years.
Understand? 5 years.
कौन से provision में?
153A.
153A. चेक कर लीजिए.
Sir, may I say something? Sir, may I say something? Sir, I'm not sure this procedure was followed or not.
All right. One 153A shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 3 years. क्या? 5 years क्या है देखते हैं? 2 है.
Promoting enmity between classes in place of worship, etc.
That is not your case. It's not a place of worship. You have not lost this under 153(2).
A.
Yes.
For 3 years. And both fine.
You have not said कि मैं वो कहता है क्या देखिए, whoever commits an offence as specified in subsection 1 in any place of worship, वो नहीं है आपका, or in any assembly engaged in the performance of religious worship, वो भी नहीं है आपका, और religious ceremonies, वो भी नहीं है आपका. ऐसे 3 years. Full stop. At this stage, SP Gopalganj says that he is not sure whether any notice was served upon the petitioner under section 41(1) of the CRPC by the IO. Full stop. Next 3. The petitioner was arrested and allegation is that he was brutally assaulted. Full stop. Admittedly, the learned CGM Gopalganj sent him for medical examination, but his injury report was never produced before the learned CGM. Full stop. The civil surgeon Gopalganj, who is present in person, admits that no injury report was sent to the court of learned CGM. But his statement is that it happened so because no OD slip was made available to him by the IO. Full stop. SP Gopalganj submits that he would look into this aspect and the latches on the part of the then IO for appropriate action. Full stop. Next. The injury report did not form part of the case diary. Full stop. Full stop. With the counter affidavit filed today, आज फाइल हुआ है ना?
जी जी.
कब पाठ हो गया?
The DYSP headquarter has enclosed a copy of the injury report. कहाँ है वो?
My lord, injury
with the civil surgeon.
Yes, my lord.
In the counter affidavit filed by the civil surgeon today, A copy of the injury report had been brought on record. Full stop. This report has been prepared by the medical officer of Sadar Hospital, Gopalganj on 18/11/2022 in the light of the letter number 858 dated 17/11/2022 of the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Gopalganj. Full stop. He has noted down the injuries as per the injury register as follows. 1. Swelling and tenderness on right hip of size 2.5 centimeter into 1 centimeter with ecchymosis. 2. Swelling and tenderness on right knee of size 1 into 1 centimeter. Complaint of body ache. Complaint of chest pain. Full stop. The doctor advised X-ray chest, PA view, but report was not submitted till date. Full stop. The age of injury has been found as within 24 hours, and according to the doctor, the nature of injury number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are simple, which have been caused by hard and blunt object. Full stop. कब अरेस्ट हुए थे ये?
21 को अरेस्ट किया गया था जो.
Admittedly, the prisoner was arrested while he was attending a marriage ceremony on 21/2/2017, and these injuries have taken place within 24 hours of his arrest. Next, SP Gopalganj, having gone through the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of D.K. Basu, Joginder Kumar and Arnesh Kumar, admits that there is violation of the guidelines of the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of arrest of the petitioner. Full stop. Learned Counsel for the State as well as Learned Counsel for the private respondent number 6 and 7 have jointly submitted that it would be a fit case to be inquired into on the allegations against the police personnel by a competent and independent agency, and they would have no objection to that. Full stop. Next, the then SP Gopalganj, with respondent number 5 in this case, has been duly served through SP Gopalganj to the present SP Gopalganj as informed to this court, but he has chosen not to enter appearance. Full stop. Next, this court has been informed that during the ongoing hearing of this writ application, police has submitted a final form which has been brought on record with today's affidavit. filed by the DYSP headquarters, Gopalganj. Full stop. Next, in view of the aforementioned position, this court is of the considered opinion that for the present no further action shall be taken by the learned court below on the basis of the charge sheet filed in connection with Gopalganj Town PS case number 420 of 2016. Full stop. Next. This court had been left out with the following issues to be considered. Column -1. In the nature of the allegations and the materials appearing on the record, how an independent and impartial inquiry be ordered against the private respondents. Next, 2. Whether in the circumstances stated above, the state would be obliged to initiate a disciplinary proceeding against the erring police officers. And 3. Whether in the facts of the present case, in the admitted facts of the present case, the private respondents have made themselves liable to be proceeded against in a duly constituted contempt proceeding in the light of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of D.K. Basu and Arnesh Kumar for violating the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of arrest of the petitioner and his torture in the police custody. Next, in ultimate analysis, whether the petitioner would be entitled for award of suitable compensation as stated in paragraph 1 within bracket Roman 3 of the writ application, and the same may be ordered to be recovered by the state from the erring officials in accordance with law. Next, let the then SDO Sadar Gopalganj, Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar, be added as party respondent number 8 in this case in course of the day. Notice be issued to him through Dasti, and the same will be served on his present address, which Mr. N.S. Khan, learned SC1.